Welcome to Vietnamese home cooking, everyone. This is Phương Ly, and now I'm going to show you a very delicious dish of okra chicken. In this recipe, I'm gonna need 7 to 8 chicken drumsticks and half pounds of okra. With these okra, I will chop off the end and slice them in half, like this. And for the drumsticks, I will separate the bone from the meat and cut into small pieces. Or if you prefer chicken thigh, it would be good too. Then, I will mix it well with 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. The cornstarch is supposed to seal the juice inside of the meat and have the meat stay moist after it's cooked. To prepare for the sauce, I will chop up a medium-sized shallot and mince 5 cloves of garlic. I now add 1 tablespoon of mushroom seasoning, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of red pepper, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 3/4 tablespoon of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of sriracha, 1 tablespoon of hoisin sauce, and last but not least, 1/3 cup of water and mix well. In a hot pan, add in about 1/4 cup of olive oil, then add in the meat. Make sure to separate the pieces and fry until it's golden brown. Now that I finished frying the chicken, I will add in the okra. Stir fry for 1 or 2 minutes. It's time to give the sauce another good mix before I add it directly to the okra. And the final step is to add in the chicken. Keep turn and toss until the chicken absorbs all the sauce, and voila, it's done. That's it, everyone. This dish will definitely taste amazing with steamed rice. And if you are a spicy person, don't forget to put some fresh chili on top of it. Thank you for watching and enjoy the meal if you plan on making this recipe. Please click on the subscribe button below for more awesome dishes to add to your family's menu. Be safe and have a good day, everyone. See you soon.